We parked outside and it's running, like I'm waiting on your invite. Outside the coupe, it matches the inside. In my cup, it's a pint of lean inside. And I'm probably pulling up with white paint.
Bitch, I been that nigga and they know. I just fucked 2 bitches in a row. And I could get you high for the low.
I put my bitch in high fashion.
I just got me a new pack and I can't wait to dish it out. The type of shit I do for dough, these goofies wanna do for clout.
Now, if you don't have an alarm or you can't afford an alarm, I advise you to pull out relay, fuel pump, some type of fuse to not allow your car to start. But remember, you will have to do this every time you get out the car, because if not, you're taking a chance on your car being stolen in under 5 minutes. Just as easy as they use a saw to cut off your Cadillac converter, they will use a saw to cut through your steering wheel to remove a club. As you can see, it's in pieces. Secure your ride. Good morning, my YouTube family. Again, this is why I stress you need an alarm. For instances like this, I thought I'd never look out the window and see somebody trying to steal a Cadillac converter off my block. Break-ins? Yeah. Cadillac converters? No. Even the owner came out and had to stop and look at these boys steal his Cadillac converter due to them holding a 9mm or something with an extended clip. I mean, take a look. I'm gonna stop, freeze frame it so you can see, man, these boys is not playing fair. They willing to die and kill for your shit. Pay attention. As you can see, gun right there. These boys are willing to die for your shit, kill you for your shit. And it's running outside the house with a gun worth it? I mean, having a shootout over a Cadillac converter, is it worth it? Is the risk of dying really worth it? Come on, man. Secure your rides, man, because I swear, maybe the alarm would have been a deterrent that they went to, somewhere else, because by it being this quiet, you see what they do, man? See that saw? Man, these boys ain't playing, man. Man, secure your rides, man. Watch these clips on what they doing and watch the clips on how to protect yourself. Until then, I'll holler.
One, on your balls. 2, grab a handful. 3.
Goddamn button! You heard what she said.
Donald Nelson of Shrewsbury learned his car was easy to steal the hard way.
Whenever I walked out this morning around 5 a.m., it was gone. So you can see my car taken off.
What were your thoughts?
Immediately, like, what am I going to do? How am I going to get to work? Where do I go next?
He called police and checked a Facebook page where people post pictures of lost and found cars.
And if you just keep going, it's Hyundai Elantra after Hyundai Elantra.
The I-Team found that Nelson's car is just one of thousands of Hyundais and Kias that have been stolen nationwide in recent months.
Police say the problem is in the ignition. Thieves can start certain types of these cars using USB cords, and it's happening all over the country.
Exactly. So now I just got to get the window fixed so I don't get in the groove. All right, now check this out, guys. If you see a black SRT Jeep with a broken back window,
that's mine.
That's gonna be his. All right, that's definitely his, and it's definitely was almost stolen. Almost. They tried, but they didn't get too far.
Definitely, if y'all gonna invest in Steve, definitely do it.
Get that pin code.
Get that pin code. Get the drone. Get everything. And look, the car's still here.
The car ain't moving, huh?
It's not moving at all. Money is well spent. Don't worry about that money. That money is well spent.
Dead as a duck?
Man, dead as a duck.
Now, let me ask you a personal question. How much did you spend for your truck to get the pin?
Maybe about $600.
Six? See, that's not bad, huh?
That's worth it. Than spending your cogs being gone for about however long, and then the police not catching the criminals at all.
And then me trying to go and fuck around and find it. Right, exactly.
So, you know, your car's still here. You might just have a bad day. It might take a little time, but your car is definitely going to still be.
I don't know if you know me. I'm going to stay quiet for you recording. I don't know who the fuck that is though. Look how he grabbed something.
He's trying to hide his face.
Yeah, I just saw his face. Little. Oh no, he broke it.
Yeah, he's trying to get in. See, he got that cop blocking it.
Yeah. They take it.
That's
how
crazy.
The fuck do you not notice that? He looks familiar as fuck, bro.
See, he just bust the whole window. He cut his hand in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he pulled the whole window out. Oh,
The
so they must know how to pop the window.
Yeah, you see the blood on his car? On his hand?
Mm-hmm.
And look at these motherfuckers think they're slick, putting their flashers on now.
See what he doing? Oh, he fired the car up and turned the wheel straight.
He works for a car. He definitely does towing. He tows cars.
Yeah, he put it in neutral.
Oh, fuck. This motherfucker.
They pushed it. They pushed it away.
Oh, hell, motherfucking no.
And look, he seen it.
Who is that?
They seen it.
Yeah, that's one thing is Compustar with drone mobile. What it is tilt sensors. If they lift up the car trying to take the rims, the alarm's gonna go off. If they try to tow it, the alarm's gonna go off. If they try to break the window, alarm's gonna go off. And all that, you get alerted to the key fob and to your phone that something is going on. It can't get no better than that, right? Now, what I just did is going to get sent to my phone with the rest of these alerts that I get if anything happens to my phone. But let me show you. Let me bring it up so you'll see how it looks. As you see it, right there, ring alerts, drone mobile. I'm not too sure if you can see that. Let me get that so you can see it. Drone mobile has been triggered. Shot. All that's been triggered. So you get all that on the key fob and your phone. You can't get no better than that. So no matter what they doing, no matter where you at in the world, the mall, another state, you will still know what's going on with your car. That is the first part. The second part is a PIN code system. PIN code system, which I shared in my other videos, which I will probably put some clips in on this video. It stops them from relay attacking, which I can just show you now. Relay attacking, and it stops a key programmer. It's like a locksmith say if you lost your keys, you'll call a locksmith. He'll come out with a key programmer, program you another key, and drive off. Well, that is the same technology the crooks are using. They're getting their hands on the same thing, breaking your window, getting into your car, reprogram another key, and driving the hell off. Well, with this PIN code system, we're going to eliminate all that. So that was part 2. Now part 3 is the neutral release. It's so easy just by pulling up a piece of plastic, pulling a cord, you can put your car in neutral. Well, we're going to eliminate all that. So that's the 3 things. Uh-oh. The new text alert about the alarm going off. As you can hear it and see it. It goes off unless you know something happened to your car. But back to what I was saying. The PIN code stops them from relay attacks, stops them from programming a key, and the neutral release, which I said I was getting back to, They're not gonna be able to just put it in release mode and just push this car away. No longer. So with them three things covered, with them three things covered, it's over with. So let's get to it, YouTube.
Hey everybody, it's Steve at S&A Security Specialist here at River Grove, Illinois. We've been noticing a lot of our customers coming in with these little plate covers over the neutral safety strap, which is located next to the gear shifter. Great idea. What these do is they slow thieves down. So thieves just bust your window, climb in, pull the plastic cover off, pull the red strap cable, and push your vehicle away using another vehicle. These slow them down. We acquired a couple of these, we brought them in, and we thought, wow, great idea, great concept, but how can we make these better? So these little things right here are very thin. We can press down, we can bend them, could probably easily drill through it and still get to that strap. With the ones that we revised, they're a lot thicker. As you see, I'm pushing down on them, and if you look at the steel on that, compared to something that thin, this is definitely a better option. So what these will do is they will complement your Compustar drone package and basically slow the thieves down so they can't just bust the window, hop in so fast and pull the strap and push it away real quick. This will slow them down, giving that alarm system plenty of time to alert your remote control and your drone and page you on your cell phone. So definitely a great add-on if you already have the IGLA system and the Compustar system, or if you just want to get a Compustar system without the IGLA, make sure you ask for the strap cover. We do have about 100 of each in stock for Chargers and Challengers from 2015 all the way up to 2022. They are available for our customers who have new installs, or they're available for all of our previous customers. All you have to do is give us a phone call. Our phone number is 773-772-5424.
New plate installed, thicker, better. Alright, we're trying to put it all back together. I'll holler at you guys. Peace. Before, where you can see the red strap, and after when the red strap is covered. Get your neutral release cover, please.
Hi everyone, my name is Steve. I am the owner and installer at S&A Security Specialist in River Grove, Illinois. We specialize in car security, remote starters, and car keys. We're going to show you the different systems we use to protect vehicles from car theft. The first system is the Compustar Alarm Remote Start with Drone. From the remote, you can lock your doors, unlock your doors, open the trunk or hatch, and remote start the vehicle. You can also get alarm alerts directly to the remote control and to the Drone Mobile smartphone app. Now that the system's disarmed, you can also get all your alerts directly from your drone app, from the feed. You can also lock your doors, unlock your doors, start and stop your vehicle, and open the trunk or hatch. Plus you have the GPS tracking. You can pinch and zoom on its location. And if you look down below in the box, you can see the address of where the vehicle's at. Plus all of your alarm alerts under the activity feed. You can also get trip reports and locations. So now that you know what the Compustar and drone system does, we will head over to the install bay and show you the IGLA pin code system. So now that we're in the vehicle with the vehicle's key, we're going to show you what the IGLA pin code system does. Essentially what the pin code system is, it is a device that is going to require you to press a certain combination of buttons on the steering wheel in a certain order. If you do not press those buttons in a certain order, you will not be able to start this vehicle. When the vehicle's pin code system is on, you will not be able to add keys, delete keys, and steal the vehicle. We're now going to show you how the vehicle is protected should you not enter the code. If you try and step on the brake and touch the button, it will not start. As you can see, the key is right there by the shifter. It needs to see the PIN code in order to start. Our temporary code is that OK button 4 times. We're going to press it, and we will get 2 confirmation flashes if successfully entered. Now we can step on the brake and start it. Once the vehicle is turned off, it only takes about 5 seconds and the device will self-arm. Should you forget to arm it from your Compustar remote or your drone mobile app, you will still have protection. While you have this protection on, you will not be able to access the vehicle's computer and program a key. And we're going to show you that right here. So now that we're in the menu, we're going to click on Auto Identify. And our tablet will try to communicate with the vehicle's BCM. As you can see, the vehicle just woke up and it failed to identify the vehicle. We're going to go and try buy the vehicle. Jeep, Grand Cherokee, 14 through 20, hit OK. We're going to try and read the vehicle's PIN code, and you will see that it will attempt to communicate and it will fail. That is the key to our solution, because these are easily hopping in your vehicle by busting a window, plugging in the key programmer, and in about 2 minutes later, they're gone with your vehicle by simply programming a brand new key. And they do not even need your key present to do it. Once you turn off the IGLA system and put it into service mode, will be the only time that you can program a key to this car. So we're going to show you that real quick. I'm going to turn on the ignition and I'm going to enter our temporary code. Wait for 2 flashes. And we're going to put it in service mode. We're going to wait for 5 flashes. And turn off the vehicle. It is now in service mode. We are now going to go back into our menu and attempt to connect to the vehicle again. There it is. So now that we've gained access to the computer, we can go in and do what we need to do. We can add the key, check the number of keys, and do whatever it is we need to do. Not only do our security products work great on Mopar vehicles, they also work great on other vehicles, such as this Lexus. We're going to turn the ignition on. We're going to wait for the chimes to stop. We're going to enter in our PIN code. Wait for 2 beeps and 2 flashes. There it is. We're now going to step on the brake, start the vehicle. Give SNA Security Specialist a call today. Our phone number is 773-772-5424. We are located at 9017 Grand Avenue in River Grove, Illinois. You can find us on Facebook, SNA Security Specialist. You can also find us on Instagram, the PIN Code Kingpin. Give us a call today and get the best solution for your vehicle.
What are you, fucking nuts?